Yo, what up, what up, how is it going? So, I haven't posted anything this week, and that's because classes started Monday, and I've been really overwhelmed. I've been working all day these past 4 days. It's been rough, and I think my anatomy class is actually gonna kill me, but whatever, okay? It's fine. I'm here now. I technically do not have the time to be recording this at all, but I really wanted to record 4 videos. There's 4 videos I have in mind, and I compromise with myself, and I'll record 2 today and 2 tomorrow. And it's killing me because, like, for something like this, Stray Kids dropped this album like 3 days ago, and I haven't been able to listen to it, and it's been awful, and I've been wanting to so badly, and I can't. But you know what? I've reached my breaking point. I am listening to it, and I'm listening to it now. I was looking at the album. Every single one of those songs has over 1 million streams. Over 1 million for each one, and it's like a full album. And just wow. I don't know what Sorikun means in English because I'm not fluent in Korean yet, but I'm assuming it's the song called Thunderous because that has the most streams on the album besides like Wolfgang and their mixtape. But yeah, I'm just really excited and I'm here for it. So let's just go. Ooh. I already love this animation. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, this course is gonna kill me. I'm already overwhelmed. This is amazing. Blech. It's definitely Thunderous. Okay. Hey look, Chan put on a shirt. Mina. Oh, stop, I love this. Oh, stop. I think, okay, okay. It's hilarious that I'm so, like, amazed, because this sounds very Stray Kids, right? They go hard and they do it so well. I mean, what do you expect? I feel like when they were on Kingdom, they kind of got away from their sound a little bit, which was kind of the whole point. Like, you're supposed to, like, break barriers, push yourself, stuff like that. But I feel like a lot of their songs, like, didn't sound very Stray Kids-y. Even, like, the covers of their own songs, you know? I don't know. But I feel like I haven't gotten a true, like, Stray Kids song in a while, and I love this so much because this is just so them, and their voices. I literally haven't listened to K-pop, like, at all this week because I've been so busy, so I haven't listened to their voices in so long, and I love their voices, and I love their faces, and I swear, Minho in, like, the chorus, and he, like, drops to the ground. I'm just gonna go back. Here we go. And this editing is so cool. This is so cool. This. And then it switches to Felix. And then Changbin's smirk. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to figure out what "I'm not sorry, I'm dirty" means. Hyunjin! That's so fun! Wait. I feel like this is gonna be such a big thing. Why you sad? Why you mad? Why you ticking me off? I do have to say, I don't know how many of you guys are like gamers. I'm not a gamer, I'm a gamer. If y'all have ever played Paper Mario and the Thousand Year Door, the little fire edits remind me of one of the like little like bad guys you have to fight sometimes. Han's rap is like, I love it. I love all of their raps. I love Stray Kids. Okay, I need to relax before this next verse. Okay. Sungmin. I feel like everyone got a new respect for Sungmin's voice after Kingdom. Oh, that small hesitation makes it so much better. Ah. What is happening? Oh, I love this bridge. It really, really calms down. Oh, that dance. Hold up, Hyunjin. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. I missed him so much, guys. Oh, let's go. Yes, carry Changbin, the king that he is. Did he just burn me? Did I just get roasted? I'm gonna cry now, guys. That was too good. I mean, do I expect anything else from Stray Kids? No, but that was too good. I don't even know what to say. It was brassy like it normally is. Their voices were all very unique, all very powerful. Carrying Changbin at the end, like, yes, he's a king. Just raise him in the air. Oh my gosh. Hyunjin being back, that small little dance break, the subtle movements, like just the little head thing, and like being completely still and just doing this, like, it was so good. This album's gonna kill me. This album's gonna be worse than Insane. And by worse, I mean like, I'm gonna be wrecked harder. Oh no. Alright. Well, I missed them. I don't know why. I feel like during Kingdom, I feel like I didn't really get them that much, but I missed them, and I'm so glad they're back, and yes, so excited to listen to the album. This destroyed me. I hope you've been destroyed as well, and I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Stick around for one more reaction, and bye. Stop sending me emails, I'm doing something.